어린 딸 에마를 데리고 어디론가 향하는 싱글맘 리즈.
Zeus!
Sorry I didn't see him.
Are you fucking kidding me?
무책임한 개주인의 잘못인데 다짜고짜 성질을 부리는 남자. 병원을 데려다 준다는데도 신경질이죠.
You always
Always what? Spit it out.
a dick.
응급실보다 훨씬 빠른 동물병원.
What's a dick?
대충 둘러대는 애기 엄마.
Tick. I said tick. Tick is a bug.
Few bruises and he fractured his leg.
Thank you.
멀쩡하다는데 대성통곡하는 남자. 보다 못한 어린이가
Hey, Tick. Don't cry.
여전히 애 앞에서 질질 짜다가
Learn how to fucking drive.
오히려 리즈에게 훈계를 하고 떠나버립니다.
Mommy!
The guy who lives there's a bit weird. Rumor has it he's on the run.
Living next to a psychopath?
Lock your doors at night.
남편을 교통사고로 잃고 독수공방 중인 과부 리즈. 오랜만에 베프를 만나고
Leave me again. I'm happy you're kind of back. I mean, I'm here. I'm back.
하지만 남편이 없는 빈자리는 너무나 크기만 합니다. 잠시 상념에 잠기다가 남편과 함께 걷던 산책로로 향하는데 드라마처럼 또 마주친 아까 그 남자 리즈의 시선을 한 번에 받게 되죠.
Following me?
No?
아니라는 말이 무색하게 바로 따라갑니다.
I guess we're neighbors.
개무시하고 계량자리를 뜨는 남자. 이웃집 창문을 마주보고 있고 커튼으로 방어하지만 아이방 창문으로 다시 훔쳐보는 리즈. 여전히 관심 없죠.
Interested in company?
It's nice to see your face at least. Still driving that piece of shit car.
Crappy car hiccuped and ran into it after I slammed on the brakes.
I'll check it out for you.
리즈를 짝사랑하고 있는 테러입니다.
I can come by and cut the grass for you.
드라마처럼 신기하게 또 만나는 두 사람. 마주 보이는 가게에서 일하고 있다는 게 더 신기하죠.
How much for this?
What's your name, darling?
Elizabeth.
It's yours. It's a gift.
I want to pay.
하지 못해
Tristan, ring her up.
Beautiful. You took those?
I carved him from wood. And
뷰티풀을 또 하죠.
Beautiful.
you gonna pay or what?
Jesus!
적절한 타이밍에 등장하는 근육질 남자.
I made some breakfast. My late husband used to get too tired now, and then they would just a week, maybe two. I like the way you did diagonal line.
The little memories.
Mow the lawn.
The way she tied her shoes. Puddle jumped her.
You lost someone too?
My wife. And my son.
아내와 아이를 한꺼번에 잃은 아픔이 있었죠. 남편의 친구였던 테러.
Daddy's Jeep!
Stephen was my best friend.
말끔하게 정비된 차량.
Want me to cut the grass or anything? Just give me a call.
Tick already did it.
His name is Tristan.
Liz, he is insane. I don't like it. And I don't think Stephen would have either. Emma, take care of your mommy, okay?
괜히 울적해지면 술부터 마시게 되죠.
What are you doing?
Drinking and dancing.
Get you some water.
How old was he?
8.
Everyone in town expects me to be the same girl I was before, but I'm not that girl anymore.
굳이 안 해도 될 이야기 같은데
Let's get you home.
바로 옆집인데 데려다 주죠. 하지만 여전히 리즈에게 마음을 주진 않습니다. 그러면서 잔디도 깎아주고 조경도 해줍니다. 그것도 전부 공짜로 해주죠. 에마가 토라져 있는데
Passed, and we went to stay with my mom. There were all these little white bird feathers. So whenever Emma would find a feather, I guess the birds here aren't as generous with feathers.
열심히 사연을 말해줬는데 못 들은 것처럼 돌아서는 이 남자.
I'm not gonna sit here and listen to your damn kid whine all morning.
좋은 남자인 줄 알았는데 실망하죠. 다음날
He found us!
현관 앞에 수국이 쌓인 깃털들.
Daddy's here.
모두 트리스탄의 소행이겠죠. 고맙다고 하니까
I'm gonna box him in the shop.
여자가 손을 비벼대는데 가만히 있는 남자.
Stay for breakfast? Stop by for lunch?
No thanks.
Dinner?
아침도 싫고 점심도 싫은데 저녁은 괜찮다는 특별한 이유가 뭘까요?
You don't have to leave. I have wine. Beer.
술 권하는 분위기를 만드는데
What were you listening to?
Jamie and Charlie. I kept the tape. Tell me about him.
He was an idiot.
분위기는 이미 무르익었고 건전지를 선물하는 리즈. 말없이 카세트 플레이어의 건전지를 교체하는 남자. 테너의 예고 없는 방문.
What brings you around here, Betty?
Thought I'd see if you and Emma want to grab some dinner.
트리스탄을 보더니
Got the look of some kind of serial killer or something.
Otherwise, I think we should just catch up later.
그냥 가나 했더니
It's like I don't even know who you are anymore. Miss a spot.
I didn't really miss a spot.
I know.
Okay, just shower. My hot water's out.
당연히 군어들이죠. 남편이 입던 옷을 꺼내고 샤워를 마친 트리스탄에게 건네줍니다.
I didn't want to look like a serial killer.
Makes me want to hug you, because it would kind of be like hugging him.
That's weird.
I'm weird.
노골적인 애정 표현.
My hot water's not really out. I should go.
I'm not ready to move on. I'm not ready to forget.
I can help. I can help you remember.
We'll use each other to remember them.
Only if you want to.
That sounds like a terrible idea. Pretend with me. I'll remember him.
이게 바로 동상이몽 연애 아닐까요?
Hey, baby, what's going on?
Can't sleep.
아이부터 재우는 걸 깜빡했죠. 그래서 이번엔 아예 옆집으로 건너가고 하던 놀이를 마저 하는 두 남녀.
Steven.
그러나 현실로 돌아오고
We're dreaming. This isn't real.
I could see how disappointed you were that I wasn't her.
잠시 추억을 소환하는 효과는 있었죠. 다음날 아침 집 구경을 하는데 엠마를 위해 일부러 주문한 깃털 상자.
I want to show you something. You come here whenever I need to clear my head. Oh,
Thank you for bringing us here, Tick.
anytime. Why should you keep calling me Tick?
원래 욕이었죠.
If you're gonna keep calling me Tick, it's only right that I start calling you Talk.
Like a clock. Tick and talk. Tick and talk.
마치 자기 가족처럼 보듬어주는 트리스탄. 절친은 벌써 눈치챘죠.
You slept with him.
리즈가 바로 인정을 해버리자
The drought is.
Okay over there, ladies?
Everything's fine. We use sex with each other to remember Stephen and Jamie, his wife.
He sees you, Liz. I can tell the difference.
We'll have a great weekend together.
Pick these from your front yard.
꽃을 든 남자.
I want to kiss you. The real you.
That would change things. Show me the real you.
트리스탄이 드디어 숨겨왔던 창고를 공개합니다.
Jamie always wanted me to build her library.
What happened to them?
Can't talk about that day. Before their funeral, I tried to kill myself. But now you're here. It's easier with you.
What's easier with me?
Being alive. That was the hardest part for you.
Telling Emma.
상처가 가득한 두 남녀가 아찔한 로맨스를 이어갑니다. 마치 첫사랑의 연애처럼 사랑의 쪽지들로 연애를 만끽하는 두 사람.
One might desire, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young.
I mean, woodwork is amazing.
Mama! Mama, look! Two white feathers.
마치 친딸처럼 에마를 대하는 트리스탄. 덕분에 리즈의 입가에 미소가 떠나지 않죠.
I'm sorry about your family.
위로해주는 어린이.
I'm sorry about your dad.
I miss him. Tick,
Talk.
I love you. Even though your zombie was bad.
리즈의 생일 파티. 트리스탄의 출연이 엄청 못마땅한 테러.
Stephen and I flipped a coin for her. I won. Went after her anyway. Married her too. You got her yet?
Say one more word.
That vein in your neck's popping out. What if we showed it to her?
This is where I walk away.
Tell your wife and son I said hi.
슬슬 약을 올리다가
Hey, are you the reason they're dead?
선을 넘어버리죠.
You are, aren't you? You'll do the same to Liz and Emma.
당연히 얻어터져야겠죠.
Tristan!
리즈가 개입하는 바람에 패대기를 멈추고 애매한 바보들의 화풀이를 합니다.
Please open the door!
Go away, Elizabeth!
아직도 심정이 벌렁벌렁하지만 곁을 지켜주는 리즈를 외면할 순 없죠.
What did he say to you?
It doesn't matter.
다시 물어보니까
What did he say to you?
He said I killed my family and that I'd do the same to you. He's right. I did kill him. Should have been there. I should have been able to save.
Whatever happened, it wasn't your fault.
Yeah, it was.
그런데
We need to talk, please.
얻어터지고도 할 말이 있는데 리즈에게 차 사고의 진실을 말해주기 위해서죠.
When Stephen lost control, he slammed into a white Altima. The Altima had 3 passengers in it.
그 중에 트리스탄의 아내와 아들이 있었다는 충격적인 사실.
You'll let him move on.
What's wrong?
I just need to rest.
Are we okay?
전 남편이 가해자였다는 진실을 끝내 밝힐 수 없는 리즈. 또 찾아온 테러.
What's going on?
Just talking business.
Maybe you should go, Tanner.
You're a better man than me.
What do you mean?
You know, she said she was going to tell you.
Tell me what?
친절하게도 리즈가 말하지 않은 걸 대신 말해줍니다.
Sweetie, you have to tell him. I love him.
숨길 수 없는 진실을 감추려고 애쓰는 리즈.
Because I've been avoiding.
Best friend Tanner stopped by. I could just, look past the fact that you're. How have you now?
I thought I would lose you.
220 for the hot cocoa.
Just let me explain.
20, Elizabeth. Stay the fuck out of my life.
그리고 언제 걷냐는 식으로 외면해버립니다. 리즈의 곁을 떠나 부모와 같이 있기로 한 트리스탄. 리즈는 또 다른 상실감으로 하루하루를 보내죠. 트리스탄 역시 리즈를 잊지 못하는 상태가 됩니다.
There's a secret, Jamie. Still love her. She's the reason I can breathe again. I just wish I knew you'd be.
아내가 허락해준 걸로 치는데
What are you doing? Why are you acting like this? You were the best man at my wedding.
진정한 스토커의 본색.
With you. From the moment I first saw you, I hid it because my best friend loved you. You know, and then this Tristan guy comes along.
You deliberately broke up.
He would have hurt you.
Don't come near my house again.
시간은 그렇게 잘 흘러가는데
Jamie and Charlie were, she stayed with me though.
몰랐던 사실
Kind of an angel.
리즈를 두고 하는 말이죠. 갑작스런 트리스탄의
That's not
쪽지를
normal. He's
발견하고
across the street.
고민하는 리즈.
I'm not taking your store. What are you gonna do?
Find a new dream.
가게를 인수하게 됐죠.
What are you doing here?
Hi.
Hi?
사고가 있었던 날 트리스탄의 엄마를 지켜줬던 리즈. 리즈조차 전혀 몰랐던 사실을 얘기해주는데
That was your mom.
What happened when you met Grandma Jamie?
I held her hand when she passed that there wasn't any pain.
Thank you.
Tristan, no. You left me.
I had to handle everything that was going on.
Is that why you left all those post-it notes? Right.
I haven't been back in town until
Stop.
today.
Stop playing with my daughter's heart.
만나자마자 다시 찢어질 위기인데
You're not supposed to be here.
I'm really not in the mood.
It was coming back to me.
정말 미치도록 집요한 테러.
Been leaving notes at Elizabeth's house? How'd you know we gave each other notes?
It's not like I was spying on you with a little camera.
Fucking psycho.
I won the coin toss, and he took her from me. And he mocked me over and over about it for years.
묻지도 않았는데
So I handled it.
Handled what?
하늘의 계시락이요.
He said his car was acting up. He asked me to check under the hood.
살인의 추억을 공유하죠.
He wanted me to do it, to cut the brake cord. He was giving Elizabeth back to me.
You're a lunatic.
I won. It's time for me to collect my prize. There's someone else standing in my...
리즈를 건드리면 죽여버리겠다는 트리스탄.
Come on, buddy. When it comes to killing, I'm got you beat 3 times over. You didn't think I could just have Elizabeth run some little girl reminding her of her husband now, did you?
또다시 얻어 터집니다. 결국 폭행죄로 체포되는 트리스탄.
You're under arrest for assault and battery.
복잡해진 리즈의 과업. 다행히 보석으로 석방돼 상황의 심각성을 알리는데
He caused Steven's crash. He told me it was him. So we need to get him.
하지만
Tanner just stopped by to pick her up.
Liz, what's wrong?
He has her.
Call 911.
그러나 에마의 행방은 이미 찾을 수 없습니다.
She's just a baby.
그러다 갑자기
Libraries and shit. Shit seem better for cars.
헛간에 단서가 있음을 직감한 두 사람.
Stay right there, Casanova.
테너가 이미 에마를 헛간으로 유괴해버린 거죠.
I'm not scared of you.
딸을 구해야겠다는 일념으로 엄마 모드가 된 리즈.
You're all I've wanted.
We can start over. Just us.
그 틈을 타서 이미 에마를 구출한 트리스탄.
Oh, you bitch! I loved you.
과연 누가 희생되었는지 곧이어 밝혀집니다.
Emma.
One of Mom. She's gonna be okay.
Tristan's with her. Tanner.
He didn't make it.
Hey, Doc.
Ted, you came back.
I came back.
I saw it when Zeus were gone forever like Dad.
Don't worry. I'm not going anywhere. I promise.
Do you see all the feathers, Mama?
I see them, baby.
I have to find a new partner. It's got to be someone smart. Also understand interior design. You happen to know anyone?
연애 교과서에 나올 법한 대사들이죠.
Marry me.
사랑하는 두 사람이 행복한 결혼 생활을 시작하고 어느새 세월은 또 흘러가서 둘째를 임신한 리즈의 가족을 보여주며 영화가 마무리됩니다.
영화보다 재밌는 시네브로